Hey guys, today's video is a bit different. Unboxing of Cisco 9300. And this is one of the best switches you can ever find in the market. The Cisco 9300 is a new family, newly introduced switch with stacking capacity of 480 gigabit per second. And for the uplink, you have a good arsenal to choose from. For instance, you can have 4x 1G, 8x 10G, or even unbelievably fast 2x 40G. So let's open the box and see what's inside. Cisco says this is equipped with UADP version 2, wired and wireless traffic on a single data plane, and they say, and I quote, 7 billion transistors within UADP chip. That's a staggering number. And as usual, you saw the license, and this is the stacking cable. Let's open it. Remove the plastic cap. There we go. And Cisco says you can stack up to 8 of these switches together. And these are the power cables, 2 of them. This switch is a dual power supply. And the power stacking cable, which is an amazing feature in my opinion. You have dual power supply, but Cisco implemented the stack power feature, which means if you lose both engines, both power supplies, you still can suck power from a different switch. That is gorgeous. If I'm not mistaken, I saw the same feature on 3850. So this is very cool. And you get the bolts and the mounting ears and the rest of the stuff, the power supply. Let's get rid of the plastic. There we go. And the second power supply on the right hand side. Let's get to the bottom of this box and get rid of this stuff and see the actual switch. This is the 24 port multi-gigabit version. They come with different flavors, data version UPoE, which you get PoE on all the ports. Let's get rid of the plastic. There we go. These are the fans, modular fans, and the power supply slots. This is a 24 ports multi-gigabit, as I told you. And this is the console management port and then stacking ports. Let's have a better look, especially at the back. So this is how you mount these power supplies. Single click. There we go. And we are done. And finally, the stacking part. On the right hand side, you see the power stack cables, yellow and green strap. And on the left hand side, this is a goof. 2 switches with the same stacking cables together. This is useless. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing.